I will show you how you can take apart a Rotring ArtPen for cleaning, maintenance, how to easily take the nib off. You take off the cap, then grab the nib and the feed and gently but steadily pull it outwards. It should just slide out. You have the feed and the nib just stays on the feed. Here you can see it. A bit more zoom. This is a fine nib. And to put it back together, you just place it on the feed. You should feel it when it's in the right place. Do not force anything. And pay attention that it slides in only in one way. Okay. As you can see, it has a kind of a slot. That is the only way. In that slot should the nib go. You can see it like this. Okay, and we will just put it back together, pushing it back. So the nib goes in that slot. You can see it here. And then you push it slowly. Okay. There you go. Hope my video helped you. Hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe if you want. Have a nice day. Bye. I will just put it back together, of course.